大家好，我是伊娜，又到了我们一起快乐学语法的时间。今天我们要学 they, have to, must. Grammar structure for they used just like the verb person plus have to they do something because 因为 and reasons.Let's see some examples. 伊娜得坐校车去上班，因为她没有车。伊娜 have to ride school bus to work because she doesn't have a car. 伊娜得坐校车去上班，因为她没有车。林护士得去中国城，因为她先生在那里等她。Nurse Lin have to go to Chinatown because her husband is waiting for her at there. 林护士得去中国城，因为她先生在那里等她。Now we are going to use they with 和一起 which need a person be in this sentence. Let's see some example sentences. 伊娜这个星期天得和 Ryan Gosling 一起去中国城，因为星期天是 Ryan 的生日。伊娜 this Sunday have to go to Chinatown with Ryan Gosling because Sunday is Ryan's birthday. 伊娜这个星期天得和 Ryan Gosling 一起去中国城，因为星期天是 Ryan 的生日。王先生今年7月得和他太太一起去纽约，因为他们7月不上班。Mr. Wang this July have to go to New York with his wife because they don't go to work in July. 王先生今年7月得和他太太一起去纽约，因为他们7月不上班。This is today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I will see you next time. 再见。